Hey guys, welcome back into another video, and in this video we're going to be going over escape sequences in Java. So in the last video we went over strings, and escape sequences is just a part of strings, and I'll show you an example here. So for example, let's say we have this string, subscribe to the channel, which you guys should definitely do if you haven't already. And then let's say we want to surround the channel with double quotes. So if I put some around it already, it doesn't know what's happening. There's an error because there's too many double quotes around it. So if we want this double quote to work, we have to add a backslash right behind the quote for it to register as a quote inside the string, not as like declaring the string or ending it. And then I'll add one here. And then as you can see, if I run this with just message, it will say subscribe to the channel with channel surrounded by double quotes. See, if I do it without it, it'll just give me an error statement. As you can see, yep, expected because it thinks the string is ending there. So I'll just add one here. Yeah, that's good. Another escape sequences is if you want to use backslashes in your code. So backslashes would usually be used if you want to do the path to a certain file in your Windows program, and for example, like Windows backslash. See, that recognizes it as the quote. So if you want to use one backslash, we actually have to use two, and this recognizes this as one backslash and not an escape sequence. So then we can just do user backslash file. So what this would do is it print out this string, but with one backslash after Windows and another backslash after user. And I can run this here, and you can see as right here, it prints out Windows, then user, and then file. Another escape sequence would be new lines. So if you want to use new lines in your code, I'll just write subscribe to the channel again. Subscribe to the channel, which again you guys should do. Now you can do it here. I'll do backslash n. So what this would do is after subscribe to it'll create a new line, and then it'll write channel after that line. So as you can see here, subscribe to and then in the next line it says channel. So, and then another thing is you can do /t. What this does is it just tabs or indents it. So now if I run this, subscribe to the channel, there will be 5 spaces after to and then it'll be channel. Right here, there's an indent. And that was it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good day. Peace.